So question is, given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Also, you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order.
So, okay, we will first understand the question. Suppose, suppose we have a simple array of four numbers. Okay, suppose this is our array and it has four numbers stored in it. Four numbers stored in it, which may be 2, 7, 11, and 15. Okay, 11 and 15. This is a simple array. We have taken an example to understand the question. Okay, so the question says that we have to return the index of the two numbers which add up to the target. So suppose we have a target in number 9. So which numbers in the arrays would add up to target? It is simple. We know that 2 and 7 will add up to target, but we do not have to return the means give 2 and 7. We have to return the index. Means we have to return what is the index of the numbers, which is 0 and 1, which is 0 for 2 and 1 for 7. Okay, now how can we find the solution of this question? If we use the nested loops, means two for loops, then the complexity will be on square. Then it is not a good efficient solution. So we will use a hash map. As you know, hash map stores the key and value pair. I will explain you the exact uh, trick and the exact solution how we can use the hash map. Okay, so first we'll understand what is a hash map. Now just understand two properties of HashMap. One is put and the other is get. What does a put do? A put inserts a new number in the HashMap, while get retrieves the number which we want from the HashMap. So we will start with our solution. We will create the HashMap which will store the number and its index which are in integer form. Okay, then and we can give any name to our hash map. We will give name, suppose map equal to new hash map. Okay, and now we have created our hash map which has name map. So after that we will use for loop to iterate through each element. So we will iterate through the our arrays with the help of for loop. Okay, so int we will initialize I equal to 0, and I can go up to the nums dot length, and we will iterate I by one each step. So okay, and now we will assign the number of each assign num as the means current element in the array. So in num equal to current element, we can show it by nums I. Okay, it is basic arrays, you can understand it. Okay, so int again we will make a different name integer which will store the difference between the target minus our num. Okay, and after that we will give a condition if our what is the name of our hash map? It is map. So if map dot contains, it is a property of hash map. Okay, contains what key, and the key is diff, which is our variable. Okay, difference between target and the number. Then what we will give, we will return. Okay, if it is present, we will return new int, new int. Okay, which is equal to map dot, and we have understand the how to retrieve the element in the arrays using the hash map. Okay, so map get get what we want, di our different variable, comma I. Okay, okay, yes, it is good, and we will close it. And if our element is not present already in the hash map, then we will put it. Okay, put dot map what we want to put, that our number and its index. Okay, it is simple and simple. Now our code is 90% done. Now we will return empty array. Okay, why we will return empty array? If there is no possible solution, we need to return some int. Okay, as it is given here, so we will return an empty array. Now we will check it. Now we will check our solution. So okay, now we will check it. Okay, so okay, see here, okay, it is the simple error. We want integer, not small integer. It is case sensitive in hashmap. Okay, now okay, what it, okay, put dot map. Okay, so what is here, put dot. Okay, okay, we have given here wrong. So map dot put. Okay, map dot put, not put dot map. Okay, now we will check it. So okay, now our solution is 100% correct, and I will explain you the code in short. Okay, now check this. First of all, we have created. Now I will explain the solution. First of all, we have created a hash map. Okay, and after that we are using for loop to iterate through the elements of the arrays, and we have created a num integer which will store the current I value of the array, and difference is the actual number we need to add to the current element to get the target value. Okay, so, and if map dot contains key has the value which is difference, then we will return the index. It is not the actual number, it is the index of the different number. Difference is this. Okay, and comma I. After that, if this is not present, then we will put map dot put num dot I in the hash map. Okay, if it is present, then it will return the index. If it is not present, then we will put that element in the hash map. And after that, this is for no answer. Okay, if our arrays does not contains the actual target addition, then we will return an empty array. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Hope you have understand the code. Stay tuned for my further videos.